Right now, you are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going.
Nights like this, I be cruising. Seat laid back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. Ain't nothing like me, country boy, dirty slave, dirty slave. Wanna take you home, take you home. To the juicy day, pretty guy, that ain't my type.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If my face is not familiar to you and you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and also welcome to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing, and also give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. Alright, so we're going to part both sides, like right by the temple area. Part both sides this way. And I'm going to try to get my part as straight as possible. So about to that. Okay. And then I'm going to take the other side and part it the same exact way. Alright, so I'm just going to start braiding this part down. And then we have to braid this side the exact same way. And I'm just going to braid it all the way down so it doesn't unravel. Alright, so for this middle section, this is going to be where the ponytail is. And just brush this up into a ponytail. Oh my gosh. Alright. Taking 2 hair ties. I'm going to add the braids connected to the ponytail. Alright. So the braids are with the ponytail now. Well, I hope you guys can see that. Alright, so I have this Kankaline braided hair and I'm just going to attach it to my ponytail. Like that. And then put it on top of my ponytail. Okay. I'm just going to take a small piece out to just wrap around the base of the ponytail, just so you won't see the hair tie. The hair tie will not be visible. It's sticking to my lip gloss. And then I'm going to pin it. Alright. This hair is just all over. Alright, so to make this easier, I'm going to twist the hair up into a twist. And secure the end with the rubber band. Alright, so now to put the little sections in there, I'm going to take a rubber band and just, you know, just eyeball it and put them where I want them to go. Alright, so now that the hair is in the sections, all I'm going to do is start pulling at the twist. complete, I can just start doing the very last part of it, which is the baby hair. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial and enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel right now and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.